Matrices. Question number one. Construct a 2 plus 2 matrix with A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. So let's write the matrix first. It will be A11, A12, A21, A22. Now, required matrix will be equal to A equal to I plus j, means 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, 2 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, and 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. So it will become 2 square means 4 divided by 2 is 2. Here 3 square is 9 divided by 2. This is 3 square 9 divided by 2. And this is 4 square is 16 divided by 2. So this is required. Now let's go to next question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix with A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2, modulus of minus 3i plus j. So A equal to, we write A11, A12, A21, and A22. Now, required matrix will be A equal to half of modulus of minus 3i, means minus 3 plus 1. Then half of minus 3i, so it is minus 3 because I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. So plus 2 modulus. Then again 1 by 2 modulus. Minus 3i, triple of I, so it will become minus 6 plus 1. And then 1 by 2 modulus minus 3i, triple of 2, that is minus 6 plus 2. Now let's simplify. It will become minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Modulus will give 2. 2 divided by 2 is 2. Sorry, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now from here, minus 3 plus 2 will give minus 1. Then modulus will give 1. So 1 by 2. Then here, minus 6 plus 1 will give minus 5. Modulus will remove minus sign, so it will become 5. So 5 by 2. Here, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Modulus will make it plus 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So this is required answer. Now let's go to next question. Next question is find the value of x, y, and z if we have got 4, 3, x5, yz, 1, 5. Corresponding elements must be equal. So y must be 4, z must be 3, and x must be 1. Next question. Find x and y if we are given 3x plus 7, y plus 1, 5, 2 minus 3x, 0, 8, y minus 2, and 4. So again, corresponding elements will be equal. So 3x plus 7 corresponds to 0. From where we get 3x equal to minus 7 implies x equal to minus 7 by 3. Similarly, y plus 1 must be equal to 8. So it will give y equal to 8 minus 1, that is 7. And if we evaluate this, again we will get same value. So 2 minus 3x equal to 4. So 2 minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 2 equal to 3x, which gives x equal to minus 2 by 3. So here, there is problem with the question because 3x plus 7 equal to 0 is given x equal to minus 7 by 3. And when we compare this, 2 minus 3x equal to 4. So from here we get 2 minus 4 equal to 3x. So x equal to minus 2 by 3. It means the values given are irrelevant. Now, let's go to next question. Find a matrix X such that 2a plus b plus x equal to 0. A and b are given. So twice of a plus b plus x. So double the elements. So it will become minus 2, 4, 6, 8 plus b. This will be written as it is 3 minus 2, 1, 5. And suppose matrix X has elements A, B, C, D. And this is given 0. So we add corresponding values. So minus 2 plus 3 plus 8. Then 4 minus 2 plus B. 6 plus 1 plus C. 8 plus 5 plus D must be equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we equate the corresponding values. So it will become minus 2 plus 3 plus A equal to 0, which implies A equal to minus 5. Similarly, this so 2 plus B equal to 0, which gives B equal to minus 2. From here, 7 plus C equal to 0, that gives C equal to minus 7. And this is 13 plus D equal to 0, from where we get D equal to minus 13. And then we can write the value of X. And we have taken X as A, B, C, D. So we can put these values. Now, question number 6. If 2 times x 7 5 y minus 3 plus 3 4 1 2 equal to 7 15 15 15, then find x and y. So it will become 2x, then 14, 2y minus 6 plus 3 4 1 2 equal to 7 14 14 15. So it will become 2x plus 3. This is 14. This is 15. This is 2 by minus 6 plus 2 equal to 7, 14, 15, and 15. So corresponding elements must be equal. 2x plus 3 equal to 7. So 2x plus 3 equal to 7. So that will give 2x equal to 4 or x equal to 2. Now consider this one. So this will become 2 by minus 4 equal to 14. Here this is 14. So 2 by equal to 18. From where we get y equal to 9. So we have got answer. Let's go to next question. We are given x plus y equal to 5, 2, 0, 9, and x minus y equal to 3, 0, 6 minus 1. So if we add the 2, then we will get 2x equal to 5, 2, 0, 9, and plus 360 minus 1. So that will give 538, and this will become 8. This will become 0. This will also become 8. So this is 2x. So x will be half of these values 4, 4, 0, 4. Now, from equation 1, so this is equation number 1. So we can put the value of x, or we can directly get by thing. So here we have got the value of x as, now, so let's write here 4, 4, 0, 4 plus y equals 5, 2, 0, 9. So y equal to 5, 2, 0, 9 minus 4, 4, 0, 4. We simplify. So 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. So this is answer. Thank you for watching.